Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
How many months are sacred in Islam? Your options are option A 4 months or option B 3 months. The right answer is option A 4 months. What are the sacred months in Islam? Your options are option A Dhul Qaida, Dhul Hajj, Muharram and Rajab, or option B Dhul Qaida, Dhul Hajj, Muharram and Ramadan. The right answer is option A Dhul Qaida, Dhul Hajj, Muharram and Rajab. Which is the best month to fast after Ramadan? Your options are option A Dhul Hajj or option B Muharram. The right answer is option B Muharram. What is the name of hell where people who didn't feed others will be thrown into? Your options are option A Jahannam or option B Saqar. The right answer is option B Saqar. Name the angel in charge of rizq. Your options are option A Israel alayhi salam or option B Mikail alayhi salam. The right answer is option B Mikail alayhi salam. How many ayats are there in Surah Fussilat? Your options are option A 54 or option B 83. The right answer is option A 54. How many ayats are there in Surah Ash-Shu'ara? Your options are option A 53 or option B 93. The right answer is option A 53. How many ayats are there in Surah Az-Zukhruf? Your options are option A 89 or option B 73. The right answer is option A 89. How many ayats are there in Surah Ad-Dukhan? Your options are option A 59 or option B 75. The right answer is option A, 59. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Jathiyat? Your options are option A, 37 or option B, 57. The right answer is option A, 37.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.